Struggling to reach things in the back of your truck bed? The DU-Hooky by DU-Ha is the perfect solution for reaching those hard to reach items. This is a versatile tool to have. The DU-Hooky extends from 44 inches to 78 inches with the quick twist of a handle. It is a stout and cleverly designed reaching tool to help you get those out of reach items no matter your bed length. And DU-Ha has a few accessories available to make your DU-Hooky even better. You can get an ice scraper attachment for those cold mornings or even a brush to sweep out the back of your truck bed. The accessories attach easily to the bottom of the handle that twists off to reveal a threaded connector. There is a unique positionable tip that is designed to reach and hook virtually any item. It even slides through bed liner grooves and easily accesses under toppers, tonneau covers, and lids. The DU-Hooky isn't just for the truck though. It's also great for SUVs, vans, boats, and has limitless uses around the house. Use it to reach a higher shelf, behind the couch, or any hard to reach place. If you're interested in purchasing the DU-Ha DU-Hooky, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.